Hi everyone, and welcome to Travel World. I'm Emily, and for today's video we are back in the wonderful city of Houston, Texas, and we are going to show you what you can do here with your children. Get ready to discover some amazing places where you and your family can play, learn, and create memories that will last a lifetime. We are going to explore everything from mind-bending museums to high-flying adventure parks. Please give this video a big thumbs up if it brings you value, and subscribe to Travel World. Thank you for your support. Comment down below if you love Houston or what your favorite city is around the world. Let's go. Kicking off our list is Main Event Entertainment, a powerhouse of fun for the whole family. Challenge your parents to laser tag, show off your bowling moves, and try to beat the high score in the arcade all under one roof. After you are through knocking a few pins down, head over to the arcade and show off your skills at air hockey, race car, and the ultimate experience. You can check out Max Flight, where you get to design your own special roller coaster and then ride it yourself. There is plenty of fun to be had in Main Event's glow-in-the-dark laser tag arena, with glowing lights, music, and laughter everywhere. The energy is electric. Main Event is the ultimate one-stop shop for family entertainment, guaranteed smiles, laughter, and fun for everyone. Next up is a place where curiosity leads the way, the Children's Museum of Houston. This is not your typical quiet museum. Here, children are encouraged to touch, play, and explore every exhibit. The museum is bursting with color, sound, and hands-on activities designed just for the children. Learning here feels like pure fun, with science, technology, and culture made exciting and accessible. Build and launch your own rocket, manage a city in Kidtropolis, or dig for ancient artifacts. There is even a special tot spot for infants and toddlers to explore and play safely. With something for every age, the Children's Museum of Houston is a must-visit for families looking for fun and learning all in one place. Alright scientists, are you ready to defy gravity? Our number 3 spot is Urban Air Trampoline Park, a place where physics gets really fun. Here you will launch into the air, exploring potential and kinetic energy with every jump. Bounce off the walls, tackle obstacle courses, and climb to new heights. Urban Air is the perfect place for energetic kids to play, learn, and discover the science of motion while having a blast. When the Houston sun is shining bright, it is time to explore the science of staying cool. Splashtown Water Park is more than just a way to beat the heat. It's a hands-on science adventure. Feel gravity and energy as you race down slides, and see how water reduces friction for a fast, smooth ride. In the wave pool, experience fluid dynamics and the energy of moving water. Younger children can experiment in splash zones, learning cause and effect with fountains and tipping buckets. It is a day of fun, learning, and family. So grab your swimsuits and make a splash. Thrill seekers, it's your time. Our 5th spot, the Kemah Boardwalk, is a vibrant hub of fun and discovery where amusement rides meet the wonders of the seaside. The boardwalk has a vast array of rides, from the rocket ride, train ride, drop zone, and more, all with a great view of the water. Ride the towering Ferris wheel for breathtaking views, or feel the thrill of roller coasters in action. Bear in mind that some rides have a 48-inch height requirement. Explore the waterfront, spot marine life, and watch the tides. And don't forget the science behind sweet treats like cotton candy. At Kemah, every visit is a family adventure combining entertainment, education, and delicious food on the Texas coast. Ready to dive into adventure? The Downtown Aquarium in Houston is more than just fish. It is a full-on aquatic playground. Walk through tunnels surrounded by sharks and rays, and explore vibrant coral reefs and sunken treasures. Children can touch stingrays and starfish at interactive touch tanks. Science comes alive. And don't miss the outdoor rides and games for even more family fun. The Downtown Aquarium is the perfect spot for a day of learning, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Alright, everyone, for our 7th amazing child-friendly spot, we are going to switch gears a little bit. Let's head over to a place where art, culture, and community come together under the big, beautiful Texas sky. Welcome to the Miller Outdoor Theater. Located in Herman Park, this venue offers free performances for everyone. Experience world-class entertainment without spending a penny. It is a place for picnics, laughter, and making memories. The variety of shows is astounding, always something new to discover. From ballet to jazz, Shakespeare to multicultural festivals, there is something for everyone. Bring a picnic, relax, and enjoy a beautiful evening outdoors. The Miller Outdoor Theater is a unique Houston institution every family should experience. Get ready to jump, slide, and bounce your way into our number 8 spot. Pump It Up is the ultimate indoor playground, packed with gigantic, colorful inflatables for endless fun. Children can bounce, slide, and race through obstacle courses, all in a safe, climate-controlled space. Book a private party for exclusive access, or join an open jump session for spontaneous fun. Pump It Up is all about active play, laughter, and making joyful memories that last. Ready for a delicious experiment in happiness? Our number 9 spot is the Chocolate Bar, a place where cravings and creativity collide. Step inside and you're greeted by the rich aroma of cocoa and dazzling chocolate creations everywhere you look. From giant chocolate bars to decadent cakes and ice cream sundaes, it's a feast for the senses. Your children can create their own sweet masterpieces, and families share unforgettable treats together. For smiles all around, don't miss the Chocolate Bar Houston's ultimate dessert adventure. Get your boots on, because our final destination is a Texas-sized adventure packed with science, culture, and non-stop fun. Welcome to the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. It is an annual city-wide celebration that brings together the community for an unforgettable experience. Families explore Texas heritage through hands-on activities that are both educational and entertaining. Curious children love the Agventure Park. Agriculture comes to life here. It is a real-world biology lesson that is powerful and fascinating. Petting zoos let children get up close with friendly farm animals. It's a fantastic sensory experience, connecting children to the natural world. The Carnival Midway is a dazzling display of physics in action. Every ride is a fun experiment. There are games of skill that test your aim and coordination, and of course, all the classic carnival food you can imagine. It's a vibrant atmosphere of excitement and laughter, offering something for every member of the family to enjoy. And finally, there is the main event itself, the rodeo competition. Watching skilled cowboys and cowgirls is a masterclass in athleticism and precision. The Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo captures the heart of Houston and creates lasting memories. It is the perfect grand finale to our top 10 list. And that's a wrap on our top 10 child-friendly spots in the amazing city of Houston. From the sweet science of the chocolate bar to the Texas-sized fun of the rodeo, we have explored some incredible places to make family memories. Houston is a city buzzing with energy, innovation, and endless opportunities for adventure. We hope you are inspired to plan your very own exploration of this fantastic city, whether you are planning a weekend trip or a full-blown vacation. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Travel World. It's free and helps more people find this content. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching Travel World. It is goodbye from me, Emily. See you in the next video.